ready for the second row?
Yeah.
Two names for this: black-shouldered kite or white-tailed kite.
Either one.
Black
Either one
shoulder,
would be fine.
black shoulder,
Kite.
Kite,
Kite.
K-I-T-E, or white-tailed kite.
or white tail. Okay.
No. Oh, okay.
Red-tailed hawk? Yeah, there's plenty of space.
This is red tail hawk.
Okay, so we got these two.
Yeah.
And this
Sharp-shinned hawk,
sharp
Hold on.
sharp-shinned,
shinned hawk.
Okay.
Did we already do this one?
I see, honey.
white-throated swift,
Which one?
white-throated swift. See the white throat.
Mm-hmm. White throated. Okay.
American kestrel,
American kestrel. Okay.
belted kingfisher,
Oh, they are on their head.
What is the name again?
belted kingfisher,
Belted kingfisher.
Yeah. Okay, I was thinking the other one. Like the one that
red-shouldered
makes
hawk,
filter.
Red shoulder hawk.
banded tail,
No, that was the red tail.
Okay.
BB,
BB, just BB.
roadrunner.
Road.
Watch white
Roadrunner.
cartoons when you were younger?
Not in Egypt.
Over here.
Well, you should watch them now.
Yeah.
Black-billed magpie,
Black.
billed
Bill.
magpie.
Okay.
There's a yellow-billed one around here someplace, but I don't know where it is right now. Mourning dove,
How long are you going to be at school today?
Morning dove.
'Cause I got to go get my paperwork. And then
if I'm not in my office, just slide it in.
Slide it in there.
That's fine. American avocet,
American.
avocet,
Haven't said. Okay. American avocet.
rock dove,
Rock dove.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yep.
ruddy duck,
Ready duck.
Looks like a duck.
Yep.
It is a duck.
barn owl,
Right now.
Barno.
acorn or California woodpecker,
California woodpecker.
screech owl,
Screech owl.
great horned owl,
Great what?
great horned owl. This is horse here.
Yeah. Great horn.
Wait, it has horns?
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
not
Not
just-
horns, but they're feathered
Yeah,
ruffs.
looks
feathers,
like a
yeah.
horn.
Raven,
Raven.
Oh, that was a crow.
Raven.
Raven.
house finch,
House finch.
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 western bluebird,
Western bluebird.
mountain bluebird,
Sorry, brother. Mountain bluebird. What are you recording, man? Look at the video right here.
Better than your videos?
what kind of hummingbird do we have?
This one is the one I really got to get.
If they're
Hummingbird.
females, it's hard to tell.
Hummingbird.
Hummingbird.
Western meadowlark,
Western meadowlark.
scrub jay,
Is that the Floridian one?
Stella J.
scrub jay,
Scrub J.
yellow-billed magpie,
Yellow bill.
There goes a cat.
suicidal cat,
Cat's got jealous now.
brewer's blackbird,
Where's the head?
Right here. What is it called, Mr. Bulmer?
brewer's blackbird,
Blues blackbird.
red-winged blackbird,
That's
Red
easy.
wing. Red wing, yeah.
stellar jay,
Stella J. All right.
We need to find a difference.
brown-headed cowbird,
Oh, there are two of them.
yep, male and female,
What is it called again?
brown-headed cowbird,
Brown head.
Save like a long one
Okay.
for at the end.
starling,
Starving. Starving. Stars.
loggerhead shrike, house sparrow,
Horse sparrow.
what kind of wren do we have?
What is it? What is it?
Buick's wren,
Buick's wren.
Three more.
mockingbird,
Mockingbird.
black-headed grosbeak,
Black grosbeak.
Audubon's warbler, or
Art,
whatever, they keep changing the name. Audubon's warbler or yellow-rumped warbler.
yellow because it has colors.
That's Audubon's warbler, that's what the current name is.
Audubon's warbler. Okay.
This is a sad specimen of a junco. That was it?
What is this?
Junco?
It's
Junco.
junk. And so